EPiT is a company specializing in an air pollution control system that removes pollution from industrial gas and discharges clean air. EPiT carries out turnkey work from design to construction, as well as maintenance work, and supplies main parts. EPiT products that reflect various experiences and accumulated technologies. EPiT offers electrostatic precipitator economical and robust design in accordance with customer conditions and environmental standards. And we supply its parts and technical services according to the customer needs. EPiT Pleated Bag was certified as an excellent R&D innovative product by the Ministry of Environment in 2020 for improving the disadvantages of existing filter bags. The world's first flexible and non-fixed pleats design. EPiT's bag filters with excellent performance, such as high dust collection efficiency, long life, and operation cost reduction effect. Implementation of optimal equipment and design that meet the site conditions and environmental standards. EPiT provides optimal solutions to improve customers' facilities. Company certification from public institutions and KEPCO. Numerous domestic and foreign patents. Harmonizing humans and nature. A corporation making fresh air and a cleaner future. EPiT Company Limited.